own fault. Consult your financial advisor, not us. We are an education firm. So let's talk about the market. Really creepy action again today. You've got the S&P 500 up 11 points and virtually no movement in the VIX or VIX futures complex. VIX cash is still trading at a premium to December, which is barely and almost above January. They're all on top of each other. The curve is super flat. Everything is tight. Volatility is just not moving very much. Just a very, very odd mix of volatility relative to market movement. I mean, at a 12-point handle rally, we should see VIX down, especially after what we've been through the last few days. We should probably see the VIX down a point, and we should see the futures kind of getting rocked, but they're not. Now, what's going on? We've got Fed minutes this afternoon. That could be one of the drivers. It absolutely could. We also have, continue to have Federal Reserve stuff, terrorism stuff, all right, that's pushing things. Now, one of the major drivers of things moving tech names, look at Apple, up big, Amazon, some of those names are really pushing higher. Notably Apple, though, way, way up. And so that's probably one of the major drivers if you look at the Dow and the S&P. That's one of the major things pushing markets higher. Everything else is kind of flattish. All right? So that's kind of where that's coming from. Now, I also want to point out what happened yesterday as a reminder. I'm going to pull up SPY here. So I want everyone to look at, at this tick chart here. Look at the way December volatility exploded. On what amounted to almost no sell-off. That's how kind of jumpy the market is right now. All right? There's a lot of people scared, and we're right up against that 200-day moving average that has been a pretty good block for the market. So I think there's a strong chance that we do turn around, back off some, especially if Apple stops surging. And at a minimum, I think we're going to be stiff through Fed minutes. Trades that look kind of interesting. I might look at like a butterfly, like a long butterfly, long the thorax, short the wings type of trade that looks interesting on the day, because I do think we'll get some sort of movement out of this. And being long vol has been paying. Also notice gold has been in a pretty tight range since it got thwacked last week. And oil is finally starting to calm itself down after a couple of days back-to-back of moving 3%. Now it's up 1% today, much smaller. And OVX, which is the VIX of oil, is also still just kind of hanging around. So on the day, look at Apple's surge. I'm not sure that's going to go on forever. Okay, folks. Keep an eye out for a webinar for tomorrow. I'm going to push something out probably this morning. And hopefully we'll see you all there, and I will talk to you soon. Have a good one, everybody.